Welcome everyone to the video on current division rule. So previously we have learnt about series and parallel circuits, and in series circuits the current remains the same, whereas in the parallel circuit the current is divided. So now I am going to show you how the current is divided in a parallel circuit. So let us consider a circuit which has two resistors connected in parallel. So this is the resistance R1 and this is the resistance R2, which are connected in parallel across A and B. So if the resistance of the first is R1 and the second one is R2, and a current I is flowing from A to B, then the current is divided into two parts, that is I1 and I2. So now I will find the value of I1 and I2. If the value of I and R1 and R2 are known. So let us consider that the voltage across point A and B is equal to V. So in parallel circuit the voltage remains same. So the voltage across R1 is equal to the voltage across R2. So using this principle I am going to derive what will be the current across R1 and R2. So the voltage across R1 is I into R, that is I1 into R1, and the voltage across R2 is I2 into R2. So I can say I1 is equal to I2 R2 divided by R1. So I can say this is equation number 1. Now from KCL I can tell the total current I is divided into two parts, that is I1 plus I2. So now putting the value of I1 from equation 1 in this place, I will get I2 R2 divided by R1 plus I2. Now if I take LCM R1, it will be I2 R2 plus I2 R1. Now I can write I is equal to I2 R2 plus I2 R1 divided by R1. Now I cross multiply it and I will get IR1 is equal to I2 R2 plus I2 R1. Now I take common I2 and this will be R2 plus R1. So now I can tell I2 is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Similarly, if I will derive it for I1, it will be I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So let's have one problem on this. So I am designing a circuit, the same circuit, and I am keeping a 5 ohm resistor in the R1 and a 6 ohm resistor at R2. I am taking these values so that you get that the value of the current is divided in a proportionate manner. So the total current I is 11 ampere. I have R1 is equal to 5 ohm and I have R2 is equal to 6 ohm. I have to find I1 and I2. So for I1 the formula is I into R2, that is opposite resistance, divided by R1 plus R2. The total current is 11, which is multiplied by the resistance 6 divided by the total resistance is 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11 into 6 divided by 11, and this 11 cancel out and the answer is 6 amperes. The second current I2 is I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2, that is equal to 11 into 5 divided by 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11 into 5 divided by 11, that is equal to 5 amperes. So you can see the 5 ohm resistance has a current of 6 ampere, whereas a 6 ohm resistance has a current of 5 amperes. That means if we increase the value of resistance, the amount of current decreases. So this is how current division works. I hope this will help you in solving the problems. Thank you.